Welcome to the world of Odoo. Today, we're crafting beautiful blogs with ease for get messy platforms. We're going to use the power of Odoo to get professional, visually stunning websites. First, log into your Odoo account. Navigate to the Apps section. The Apps tab will show us the options we'll need. In the Apps search, type blog, and you'll see the website blog application. Let's start by installing it. Click on it and start. Odoo is installing for us. Give it a few moments to load. After installation is complete, go to the website app. You'll then be able to start the blog management section. Because a button named Blogs is available, there are options for setup. Select a new blog or use a predefined template design. Many attractive visual designs are available to choose from. The design is chosen. Fill in your blog title and upload a logo for the website. Make sure there is no problems with the logo, because this is what your visitors will see. Next, let's author. Click New Post. We can create articles with various formatting features, including pictures and video. Before publishing, let's set up our content. Choose tags, categories, and set whether the content is visible. Once you're happy, click Publish for your blog. Now share it with the world via the link provided.